Hello. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir. How you doing, man?
Oh, yes. It's a Monday
It's a
and
Monday.
I'm working now. It's my office.
Wow, wow. Where are you from, by the way?
Oh, I am from South Korea. So
Korea.
you're from India?
Yeah, absolutely. Do I look like Indian?
You look American.
Okay, I will take that as a compliment. Okay, I'll
Okay,
take that as a compliment.
you are working now?
No, I'm not working. I'm right now sitting under trees
Mm-hmm.
and decided to have some practice with some people from different countries. So
Mm-hmm.
it is my privilege that I'm talking to you. You're from Korea, right?
Oh, yes, I'm from South Korea.
South
So
Korea.
you're from India. So what are you living for now?
Could you repeat that part again?
Oh, okay. So, what do you living for now? I mean, your job.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Currently, I'm conducting online sessions. Okay, I teach especially beginners. It has been 8 months. I'm indulging in teaching activities. And
Oh, you are a teacher?
no, I'm not teacher, but I'm teaching students. Okay, especially beginners. It has been 8 months
Oh,
online.
okay. So, your major is English?
I haven't completed my graduation. Okay, I don't have any graduate degree. Graduation, any degree. Okay,
Oh, okay, okay.
I taught myself language.
Okay.
You know, so whatever experience
Mm-hmm.
I have throughout my journey, I like to share to my students. I like to impart my knowledge to my students. It has been a while. I have been learning the language. It has been 4.5 years.
Oh, yeah, you are very good man. So, you are sharing your experience, your student.
Yeah.
Good.
So,
So,
bro,
where did you find the student?
how did I find my students?
So, I mean, where did you find the episode?
All right. Okay. I'm finding students from online. Okay. I have YouTube channel where I upload my conversational videos. So you are going to be part of it.
Oh, you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah. Yeah. I have YouTube channel. I upload my videos over
Oh,
there.
okay. Type for me. Type for me.
Okay. Learn.
Type for me.
Okay. Learn English with JD. You can write it down. Learn English with JD.
Jerry.
J for jungle and D for dangerous. Okay, you can see, learn English with JD. I have only
Jerry. Jerry.
yeah, JD. You
Mm-hmm.
can see on my screen.
JD.
JD, yeah.
Okay. Learn English with JD.
Yeah.
Good. Okay.
I have very less subscribers, but if you're going to subscribe, I would really appreciate that. Watch later on.
Okay. Oh, JD English Club. I find it. Oh,
Very less
okay.
subscribers.
So
Recently
anyway,
I'm
so what
uploading. Okay.
what is your hobby?
My hobbies are reading books. Okay. Especially in 2026. I have decided the hobby I have started in 2025, I am going to sustain it for one more year, which is
Mhm.
reading. I like to read books. I like to indulge myself. In my spare time, I have, some books. I read at least 10 pages a day. So this is how I motivate myself,
Oh.
get positivity around me. And, it is all about your mindset. Just want to know.
Yeah, so good. So in my case, I'd like playing the video game.
Wow.
I have a
Yeah.
PlayStation 5.
You like to play video game. Very good.
You have do you have PlayStation 5?
No, I don't. I don't play video game at all. I don't wanna hurt anyone's feelings. It is my opinion. Okay, from my point of view, I
Mhm.
believe if you play video game, you're just wasting your time.
Okay, I understand.
Okay, you're just
But
wasting
I'd
your
love
whole
to
life.
play game.
Yeah. I
Mhm.
instead of indulging playing video game, I like to listen to podcasts which are productive.
Mhm.
It will help me to
Mhm.
elevate myself, improve my knowledge, learn some new things from
Mhm.
it. it will also
Mhm.
going to impact on my fluency positively.
Mhm.
Mm.
Oh yes, I think your English is very good, better than me.
I don't see that way. Okay, we are all are sharing our own journey, right? Okay, so we don't have to compare our language to anyone. That's my point of view.
Mhm. Okay, so so I either love to eat Indian foods like a
Wow,
curry and tandoori chicken.
chicken, tandoori chicken. Okay. When was the last time did you
Yeah,
eat
tandoori
Indian
chicken.
food? When was the last time did you eat Indian food?
Mhm.
When was the last time did you eat
Okay,
Indian food?
maybe 1 month ago, I go to Indian restaurant
Mm-hmm.
with my girlfriend,
Okay.
and
Ooh, you have a girlfriend.
we order the curry and tandoori chicken and
Tandoori chicken. Okay.
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. Mm-hmm. And I like to talk about Korean. The girls looks very beautiful. Korean girl.
Really?
Really? Okay.
Okay.
What do you think about
Good.
Indian girls? Do you which country's girl you do you like most?
Okay, I think India girl beautiful too.
Okay. But
They
Korean,
have big
especially,
eyes.
yeah, yeah. You guys have very short eyes, compared to India. Very short eyes. Okay.
Yeah.
Even though my girlfriend,
Mhm.
she's from Assam, she looks like that only. She also
Mhm.
has a very short eyes, different look like that. Assam.
Oh.
It's kind of border
Mhm.
to China.
Mhm. Okay, I understand. So,
Who is the most powerful
how's the
person
weather
in your
today?
country? Who is the most powerful person in your country?
Mhm. Oh, sorry, I don't understand.
Who is the most powerful person in your country?
Most powerful, maybe president
What's his name?
Lee Jae-myung.
Meow. Okay, great name. Okay,
Oh, yeah.
okay,
Oh, yes, almost lap of time.
okay. It
Thanks
has
for
been
chatting.
amazing
Take care.
conversation. I love it. Bye bye.